What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Vechain and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the likes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted, links in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we've had many reports that our subscribers aren't seeing our content, and this is most likely because you haven't hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon with all notifications turned on. Give it a tap now, turn on all notifications, and you'll most likely see most of our videos being posted. Also, if you want to support the channel, make sure to tap that like, it really helps us out. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to check back every single day for daily updates. So we're just taking a quick look at Vechain here, and as we can see, over the past week or so we have been just consolidating and going sideways, which is actually quite nice to see after such a large run up for Vechain off the bottom. As you can see, it's pretty much a tale as old as time by now, but you can see quite clearly on the chart, we've got a high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. We've come all the way down here, big, downtrend that we've been seeing, just continuing to roll over and roll over. We have actually made our higher high now, and we do want to see ourselves coming back down, making that higher low and just reversing the trend out of here. You can see quite clearly that Vechain's been doing very well over the past month or so. But essentially what happened was, once we flipped, we had the big crash in May, we flipped bearish on our EMAs just here. We've come down all the way to 5 cents, which was an absolute crazy capitulation, wasn't it? We come back up, basically formed this wedge. We come up again, stuck on under the 55 and the 20 though, rolling over under our EMAs. We come up here, we actually break out of our resistance, but we're stuck under the 20. So we roll over, we come back down, we retest that previous resistance as support. Really strong, also coinciding fairly decently with the bottom of the channel and getting very oversold on our RSI here on our daily time frame. As you can see, the last times that this happened, we did see decent bounces with this big bullish divergence here, and obviously the March crash of 2020 also being a very large bounce as well. And you can see since then, we've basically had a really nice bounce, haven't we? We've come really nicely to the upside. We've broken out of the 20 here and the 55 after a nice bit of consolidation, and we've ran all the way up to around 14.5 cents, haven't we? This kind of level here before getting, rejected and basically coming back down. And we've been, holding the 20 as support like a lot of cryptos have, which is really bullish, isn't it? Showing that we're in a strong uptrend. And, even though we're going sideways here, we're still holding the 20 as support, aren't we? Which is really good to see. Obviously, the main theme of what we're looking at here is essentially this big range like this for a Vechain that we have formed. We come all the way down on the 20th of March. The 20th of May here, or is it the 19th of May? Form the bottom of our channel, we come all the way back up, touch the top of the channel here again, this previous support flipped into resistance, and now you can see, since then we did roll over, we come back down pretty much to the bottom of our channel here. And we get the bounce, don't we? We get that nice bounce off the bottom, we come all the way back up, and now you can see we've almost touched the top of our channel, but not quite, we did run out of steam here. But that's totally fine in my opinion. And it does seem quite likely that, like the wider market, we are just cooling off after this huge run up, aren't we? Which is really good to see, to be honest. And it shows actually just a really strong sentiment, in my opinion, that the market is quite bullish, that we haven't just completely rolled over after such a large pump. We are showing a decent amount of support here. And like a lot of cryptos, as we said, we are consolidating on the 20 moving average currently, whilst also forming, you could say a little range looking something like this, where essentially we're just going sideways, aren't we? And we have been just coiling up potentially for a move for the past few weeks now on the daily time frame. But Vechain's shown looking really strong, isn't it? It's basically come all the way up from the bottom here of around 5.5 cents up to 14.5, and now we're just cooling off, currently trading at around 12 cents and just looking really good, consolidating nicely, holding support like a boss, and things looking really good. So in the short term, now that we've established the scenario here, we would say realistically we're probably looking at Vechain, if it does start to lose the 20 moving average here, we've got the 55 here coinciding nicely with this previous swing high area of resistance here. It's flipped into support at around that 11.5 cent level if we do start to roll over, looks something like this. And the 55 coming up as well. We would expect to bounce off the 55 since we're in such a good uptrend. And if we do start to, come up to the top of this little channel here that we've formed, coming to around 14 cents, then do anticipate coming up to around that 15.5 cent level, which would be, this entire overall range high, and if we broke out of that, I mean, Jesus, we're going to be looking at some really nice price action for Vechain if that's the case, aren't we? Because we're going to break out, probably retest this previous level of support flipped into resistance, and then if we flip it back into support like this, we're going to be looking at some really nice price targets up here, maybe up to 18 or 20 cents for Vechain. So things looking really strong. Vechain holding support like a boss right now, looking really good for continuation. And then, as we always say, long-term price predictions for the end of the bull run. If we're looking at realistically November, December, January time, if we're looking at the top of our channel here, you can see probably looking realistically at, over $1 in reality. We do think 50 cents to $1, very achievable price target for Vechain, but probably coming up more than likely if we do see the end of the bull run at this time, probably around 50 cents, $1.50 to $2 is looking, pretty likely when we look at going into December, January time. So update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.